Good morning, students. How are you? Till now, we have completed our chapter number 7, that is the key to happiness. Your portion for first term exam is from chapter 1 to 6. Life skills syllabus for first term is chapter 1 to 6 that we have already completed. And if suppose I have not given by mistake any exercises or any question answer of any chapter, you just give me out a comment in the comment in this the video of this comment in the comment of this video. You can just make the comment that which chapter, which question answer I have not given. And some of the students have just asked that, sir, you have not given question answer in the form of PDF. So my dear students, in this value education we does not provide PDF. In this we just tick out, I have ticked all the answers in my previous video. If you want to complete your notebooks, you can just see the video and tick the question answer. We are not providing the PDF in this value education. So if you want to complete the question answers, you just go through the previous videos and you just see the videos and tick the question and answer. And by listening such things, we come to know that you are not seriously or you are not interested in watching the videos. So you just pay attention in the videos and you just tick the question answer which I have given in my previous videos. Okay, so need not to worry. And still if you find any problem, then you can give me out a comment. I will just sort out your problem, what problems if you are having. If you are feel that you require PDF also, then we will somehow arrange the PDF, but most probably you try to tick out from the previous video itself. Okay, so today we are going to start our chapter number 8, that is overcome your fear whose value is courage. So my dear student, overcoming the fear is one of the most exhilarating time in person's life. So see, every person have fears in their life. Fear of losing, fear of success, fear of their parents, or fear of anything. Every person in his life, in his or her life, have some kind of fear. But overcoming the fear is only the exhilarating time in the person's life. When a person is fully prepared to overcome his fear by challenging it, he must determine to overcome the fear. If anybody want to overcome his fear, he must be also determined. He must be dedicated to overcome his fears. Overcoming fears gives brave and confidence in you. Overcoming the fears develop braveness and confidence in one's life. It makes the person believing in himself. It makes the person believing in himself. My dear student, you must move ahead in your life by leaving all the fears behind. By meeting a challenge, you can get the feeling that you can overcome your future struggle. Suppose if you are having to fearing, suppose the students mostly have fear of mathematics, but that fear does not comes out like this. You have to practice that math. Maybe the question may be wrong 2 times, 3 times, but you have to keep on practicing it, and one time you will see that finally your answer is coming correct. So this is the fear what a student feels in their life. Suppose the students have fear of darkness, you just not completely go in the darkness, but you little start moving in the darkness. You will feel that your fear is going away. Your fear of darkness will go away. So overcoming a fear is very important or necessary thing in the person's life. By overcoming the fear, we can gather courage in our life. We can gather courage in our life. Courage can be built and strengthened by cultivating the habit of denying a fear to overpower you. A courage can be built and strengthened by cultivating the habit of denying a fear to overpower you. Helen Keller once said that life is either a daring adventure or nothing. A beautiful quotation was said by the Helen Keller that life is either a daring adventure or it is nothing. The only cause that fear is our fear itself. The only thing that causes fear in us is our fear itself. What is a fear? Fear is a bad feeling that you have when you are afraid or something, or when you are in some danger, or when something frightens you. What is actually a fear? Fear is nothing but just a feeling of being afraid of something. What is a fear? Fear is nothing but just a feeling of being afraid of something, or of some danger, or when a person frightens you. So this is just a feeling. What is a fear? Fear is just a feeling of afraidness. It is something that exists in almost every human heart. So I already said that fear is possessed by every human. Every human is fearful. Though reasons may be different, but every human is fearful of anything. It is a feeling that comes out from an unknown reason and lasts for a long time. So fear is a feeling that comes from an unknown reason and lasts for a long time, sometimes forever if we do not check it in time. And if we are not coping up the fear, then the meaning of this line that if we are not overcoming it with our fears, it remains in our life for forever. Suppose if you are feeling suppose if you feel that you are facing problem in mathematics, now you are facing problem in mathematics, this means that you will always throughout the life you will face problem in mathematics. So you need not to fear from the mathematics or any subject or whatever the fear you have. You must just try to overcome with it. You just must try to overcome with that. It is an illusion between you and the possibilities of life. The fear is the most biggest illusion in between your success and the illusion between you and your success of life. The biggest fear is the fear of unknown. The biggest fear in the person's life is the fear of unknown. Many people embrace failure because their fear pulls them back. Many people do not get success because they are always fearful of something. They are always fearful of something. Remember, both fear and failure go parallel in life. Yes, fear and failure. If you are fearing of something, this means you will definitely fail in something. And if when you are fail in something, that means it will create fear in you. So these always goes parallel in life. If you are scared of examination, that you will not be able to study smoothly, and if you are not able to study smoothly, then it means you will definitely fail. So this is a very important thing, that you must never get fear of anything. Challenges are the remarkable tools of personal transformation. So if you are challenging yourself, it will definitely transform you and you can experience the untapped potential and abilities in yourself. If you are not fearing from anything, you will definitely develop a potential and ability in yourself. Challenges teaches you that anything is possible. Challenges always teaches that nothing is impossible. We must choose a challenge judicially. We must always choose a challenge judicially. Once you accomplish a challenge successfully, you will learn two things. So when you will just accept the challenge, you will be able to learn two things. First, you are the only powerful and strong person as you allow yourselves to be. As much as you want to be powerful and strong, you will be able to become powerful and strong as that much. Second, the most difficult part of endeavor is taking the first step, that is making the first decision. So the most important part of any journey is the taking of the first step. Means whatever problems you are facing, so you have to anyhow take the first step to overcome these challenges. To take up any challenge, first chance the way you are thinking. So to take up any challenges, what are the things necessary? So to take up a challenge, the things necessary are, we must be honest, we must think positive, and have a better attitude towards the situation. So three things which will help us in overcoming our fear and challenging the problems of life is to be honest, we should think positive, and we should have better attitude towards the situation. Never allow the fear to stop you from doing anything. It is very important that our thinking power is extremely strong. We are human, God has gifted us the thinking power, so our thinking power is extremely strong. Then we should think about fear. We must directly start building a platform for it. Whenever we are fearing of anything, we must always develop a platform of it, that it keeps gradually growing ourselves and captures our inner strength. So finally making us weak from within. So whenever we are developing fear, it makes us weak from within and always demotivates us. So we must be always motivated, we must develop our inner strength, and we must not become weak, but instead we must become strong to overcome particular fears. So it is very important to challenge our fears. If we do not face our fear, we will not be happy, and we will only eradicate that we should, why, when. So you can eradicate your fear, or you can destroy your fear by asking few of the question to yourself. So these are the few questions that one must ask whenever person, he or she, is having any kind of fear. The questions are: what is that you are afraid of? How does a fear make you feel? How does this fear affect your present life? When is this fear visible? How can you overcome this fear? How will you be benefited? If you overcome this fear, what steps you are doing to take to face it? So fear make you lose your sense of reasoning, and you start behaving in unusual manner. Here is a short story that you not to fear anything. So my dear student, this story we will study in our next class. Till then, you study hard as your exams are coming. So learn all the exercises and question answer, and complete the question answer, so to score good marks in the examination. And yes, again I am repeating, all the question answers I have given in a tick way in my previous video. Suppose if any answer I have not given, you can put that answer in a comment box, and I will definitely answer that questions. But rest you have to study for the exam.